This is Leadermac's new U-Power series, a 4-side molder with a lot of outstanding features and functions. Designed and built for high quality and high production efficiency work, the U-Power provides a high feed rate of up to 36 meters a minute. Additionally, a high-speed HSK 80F spindle is also available upon request. Other additional key features of this machine are a quick tool change system and, of course, a user-friendly touchscreen control, adding more productivity and increased efficiency on your job. If you would like to know more about Leadermac's products, follow the link at the end of this video.